No. Who's at the front door? I can't see who's at my front door. Hi, it's Lance Yolanoff with another edition of Gadget Quest. This time we're going to upgrade my home security. So I've had this doorbell on this house for like 25 years. All right, maybe I've upgraded the bell a couple of times, but it's basically been this dumb bell. Problem is, I don't know who's at my front door. I don't know who's ringing the bell. I don't know who's delivering the packages, or maybe stealing my packages. So, time for an upgrade. So I've got a couple of choices. I could go with the Ring doorbell, video doorbell, or I could go with the Nest Hello. So here's the thing. All over my house, I already have Nest devices. I have the Nest thermostat, the Nest Protect, the Nest Cam out back, outdoor cam, the Nest Cam indoor. So guess which one I went with. Here's the thing about Nest Hello. I have to make sure it's compatible with my house. So this is what I hope to get. High definition video, two-way microphones, night vision, 24/7 streaming. I've got 160-degree field of view. I can even add familiar faces. That's cool. All right, I think it's time to buy now. So let's figure out whether or not my house supports a Nest Hello. So reading the Nest Hello requirements, it is a powered video doorbell. That means it doesn't use batteries. It needs to be wired. My doorbell is wired, but you also need to make sure you got between a 16 and 24 volt transformer behind it. This is my doorbell transformer hidden in my basement, but I believe it has 16 volts. Let's hope I'm right. All right, let's see if my home supports the Nest Hello. A transformer, low voltage wires installed. Check out your doorbell and timer powered. Done it. Check the wiring voltage. As you know, I am trying to figure out my home security. I ordered the Nest Hello, and guess what? I'm gonna install it. I hope it works out. Time to install part one of the Nest Hello. My old doorbell chime. I have to put a part inside of it. Okay? So this works with the Nest Hello. I finished phase one. Everything's jammed in there. That wasn't terrible. The hard part comes next when I have to install the Nest Hello on my front door. Time for the next phase of installing the Nest Hello. That's what I'm removing. Wish me luck. Got it installed. Here it is. The light is lit. That makes a sound. Let's see how this works. Front door. I hit the doorbell. I get an alert right here, live view. So that's what's happening right in front of the door. Bad news is, no matter what I do, I can't get my analog bell to work again. Don't know why. Haven't figured it out. House has old wiring. I definitely have a transformer because that's how that works, gets power. But the receiver inside the doorbell, nothing's happening. Overall, not a bad experience. Hey guys, thanks for watching this Gadget Quest where I installed the Nest Hello. If you want me to try other gadgets out, hit me up on Twitter or Instagram or any place you like, even LinkedIn. Thanks for watching.